I'm on another camping trip after Memorial Day weekend, and I've got this fridge. We got it cooled down back at home, and it's been plugged into the truck while driving. And I've got, this time, the EcoFlow River power station, and it's up to 100%. So let's plug it in and see how far it'll go. Okay, so there's the fridge kicked on. We're on max mode. It's already at 41 degrees, and this time I'm gonna run it on max mode and see how long it will last off the EcoFlow River power station. It's running at about 45 to 60 watts. Woke up this morning, it's 7:11 in the morning, and to my big surprise, the fridge is out of power. The EcoFlow is at 0%, which surprised me a lot. Didn't even make it through the night. Still pretty cold inside, but gotta get another power station to hook it up to for the rest of the day. And that was on max mode. I would have been interested to see how long it would have lasted on eco mode. And we did have some pretty high temperatures last night, so that's definitely a big factor. So I just plugged in the Bloody AB70 to use on the fridge for the rest of the trip, and first temperature it shows is 41 degrees, so it did stay cold throughout the night. But still rather interesting that the EcoFlow didn't last longer. I thought it would have lasted the whole trip.